This example begins with a moderate retracement before advancing higher, and when there's finally a more significant reversal, the Fibonacci retracement can simply be dragged up to these new highs. The wider space between the retracement levels better marks these key structures. A Fibonacci fan can be placed right at the start of this new downtrend, where attention is focused around intersections with the Fibonacci retracement levels and especially that lower range we marked earlier. Now that the chart is firmly staying over the lower 70s, the Fibonacci fan can be adjusted to get more coverage as we return back to previous highs. But that results in the fan lines coming too close together, and we don't get any coverage once the chart moves beyond previous highs. So it makes more sense to try Fibonacci fan positions that are on an incline rather than a decline. We can try multiple variations and look for areas where there are overlaps with the intersections from the various Fibonacci fan positions. These variations can also include a shorter range for the Fibonacci retracement and fan.